Welcome to our countdown of the best electric pickup trucks on the market. The automotive world is changing and these battery-powered behemoths are leading the charge. Today we'll be ranking these powerful machines, dissecting their quirks, features and capabilities from sixth to first. Let's dive right in and see which truck takes the top spot. Kicking off our list at number 6 is the undeniably unique Tesla Cybertruck. This vehicle has captured the imagination of many with its futuristic design and bold promises. It's not just a truck, it's a statement on wheels. This thing looks like it drove straight out of a sci-fi movie with its angular stainless steel exoskeleton. The design is unlike anything we've seen on the road before, making it instantly recognizable and a topic of endless discussion. Love it or hate it, you can't deny its presence. The Cybertruck commands attention wherever it goes, turning heads and sparking conversations. It's a vehicle that challenges the status quo and dares to be different. Tesla claims a range of up to 500 miles and a towing capacity of 14,000 pounds, which are impressive figures. These specs make it not just a showpiece, but a functional vehicle, capable of handling serious tasks. However, its unconventional design might not appeal to everyone, and its production has been plagued by delays. The road to bringing this futuristic truck to market has been anything but smooth, with numerous setbacks and challenges. The starting price is around $40,000, but higher-end trims will push that number significantly higher. This makes it a considerable investment, especially for those looking at the more advanced versions with additional features. Inside, the Cybertruck features a minimalist, almost Spartan interior, with a large touchscreen dominating the dashboard. The interior design follows Tesla's philosophy of simplicity and functionality, offering a clean and uncluttered space. Practicality is a question mark, with a strangely shaped bed and limited storage options. While the bed is designed to be durable and versatile, its unconventional shape may pose challenges for traditional cargo. Overall, the Cybertruck is a bold statement, but its practicality and availability remain concerns. It's a vehicle that promises a lot, but still has to prove itself in real-world conditions and everyday use. We'll have to wait and see if it lives up to the hype. The anticipation is high, and the world is watching to see if Tesla can deliver on its ambitious promises. It's certainly a conversation starter, though. Whether you're a fan or a critic, the Cybertruck is hard to ignore, and it has already made a significant impact on the automotive industry. I mean, just look at this thing. Its design is polarizing. That's part of its charm. The Cybertruck is here to challenge our perceptions of what a truck can be, and it's doing just that. Coming in at number 5 is the Ford F-150 Lightning, a groundbreaking addition to the electric vehicle market. This truck takes the familiar and beloved F-150 formula and electrifies it, bringing a new level of innovation to a classic design. The Lightning is not just an electric vehicle, it's a statement of Ford's commitment to the future of transportation. It's a more conventional approach than the Cybertruck, appealing to those who want a truck that looks and feels like a truck. The design is rugged yet modern, ensuring it fits seamlessly into both urban and rural settings. The Lightning offers a range of up to 300 miles on a single charge and can tow up to 10,000 pounds, making it a versatile option for both daily commutes and heavy-duty tasks. Whether you're towing a trailer or a boat, the Lightning has you covered. It also features Ford's Pro Power onboard system, which can power your tools, appliances, or even your entire house in a pinch. This makes it an excellent choice for those who need a reliable power source on the go, whether you're at a job site or camping in the wilderness. The interior is comfortable and well equipped, with plenty of technology and convenience features. From its spacious seating to its advanced infotainment system, the Lightning ensures a pleasant driving experience for both the driver and passengers. The Lightning's starting price is around $40,000, making it a relatively affordable option in the electric truck segment. This price point makes it accessible to a broader range of consumers who are looking to make the switch to electric without breaking the bank. It's a solid all-arounder offering a good balance of capability, practicality and value. Whether you're driving off-road or navigating a construction site, the Lightning is built to handle a variety of conditions with ease. However, Its range and towing capacity are slightly lower than some of its competitors. While it may not lead in every category, it excels in providing a well-rounded package that meets the needs of most truck owners. Still, the F-150 Lightning is a strong contender in the electric truck market. Its blend of traditional truck features with modern electric capabilities makes it a compelling choice for those looking to transition to an electric vehicle without sacrificing utility. It's a familiar face with a futuristic twist, embodying the best of both worlds. The Ford F-150 Lightning is not just a truck. It's a glimpse into the future of automotive innovation, combining the reliability of a classic with the advancements of tomorrow. At number 4, we have the Rivian R1T, a groundbreaking electric truck that has taken the market by storm. This truck is all about adventure, with its rugged design and impressive off-road capabilities. Whether you're navigating rocky trails or muddy paths, the R1T is built to handle it all with ease. It boasts a range of up to 314 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for long road trips and outdoor excursions without the constant worry of recharging. Additionally, the R1T can tow up to 11,000 pounds, which is more than enough for most recreational and work-related needs. Whether you're hauling a boat, a camper, or heavy equipment, this truck has you covered. The R1T's quad motor setup provides exceptional power and control, delivering instant torque to each wheel independently. This ensures maximum traction and stability, even in the most challenging conditions. This advanced powertrain allows it to tackle challenging terrain with ease, from steep inclines to rocky outcrops, making it a true off-road beast. It also features a unique gear tunnel behind the cab, which is a versatile storage solution that can hold a variety of items, from camping gear to sports equipment. This additional storage space is incredibly useful for those who love outdoor activities and need to carry a lot of gear. It keeps your equipment secure and easily accessible. The interior is luxurious and well appointed, offering a comfortable and high-tech environment for both driver and passengers. The cabin is designed with adventure in mind, but without compromising on comfort. With high-quality materials and a premium feel, the R1T's interior rivals that of luxury SUVs. From the seats to the dashboard, every detail is crafted to provide a top-notch experience. However, the R1T's starting price is significantly higher than the Lightning, coming in at around $70,000. This price point reflects its premium features and advanced technology. While $70,000 is a considerable investment, it's important to consider what you're getting for that price. The R1T offers a unique combination of performance, luxury, and capability that is hard to match. It's a premium offering aimed at those who want the ultimate electric adventure vehicle. If you're someone who values both off-road prowess and a luxurious driving experience, the R1T is designed with you in mind. It's a capable and stylish truck with a design that stands out on the road and off. The R1T's aesthetics are both modern and rugged, appealing to a wide range of drivers, but its price tag might be a barrier for some. For those who can afford it, the R1T offers an unparalleled blend of adventure and luxury. Still, the R1T is a compelling option for those who prioritize off-road performance and luxury. Its combination of advanced technology, powerful performance and premium features make it a standout in the electric truck market. Chapter 4. Sliding into the number 3 spot is the 2025 Chevrolet Silverado EV. This truck takes the classic Silverado nameplate and gives it a modern electric makeover. It offers a range of up to 400 miles and can tow up to 10,000 pounds. The Silverado EV features a sleek aerodynamic design with a futuristic front end and a spacious cabin. It also offers a variety of innovative features, such as the available midgate, which expands the cargo area into the cabin. The Silverado EV's starting price is around $40,000 for the base work truck trim, but higher-end models will cost significantly more. It's a versatile and capable truck, offering a good balance of performance, practicality and value. It's a strong contender in the electric truck market, and it's sure to be a popular choice among Chevy fans. Chapter 5. Coming in at number 2 is the 2024 GMC Sierra EV. This truck is the more luxurious cousin of the Silverado EV, offering a more premium experience and a higher price tag. The Sierra EV boasts a range of up to 440 miles and can tow up to 9,500 pounds. It features a sophisticated design with a bold grille and a refined interior. The Sierra EV also offers a variety of advanced technologies, such as Super Cruise, GMC's hands-free driving system. The starting price for the Sierra EV Denali Edition 1 is around $107,000, making it one of the most expensive electric trucks on the market. It's a premium offering aimed at those who want the ultimate in luxury and capability. Chapter 6. And finally, our number 1 pick is the 2025 GMC Hummer EV Pickup. This truck is a true beast. With its massive size, powerful performance and impressive off-road capabilities. It boasts a range of up to 381 miles and can generate up to 1,000 horsepower. The Hummer EV features a rugged, aggressive design, with a distinctive front end and a spacious cabin. It also offers a variety of innovative features such as crab walk, which allows the truck to move diagonally. The Hummer EV's starting price is around $80,000, but higher-end models can cost over $110,000. It's a premium offering aimed at those who want the ultimate in electric truck performance and capability. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the best electric pickup trucks available today. The electric truck market is rapidly evolving, and these 6 vehicles represent the cutting edge of this exciting new segment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting automotive content. Let us know in the comments which electric pickup truck is your favorite. See you in the next video.